It's 2026, and the industry just changed forever. Most developers are scared of AI, but they're looking at the wrong competitor. Forget what the news tells you. Your real competition isn't AI. It's the developer who knows how to use AI better than you do. Today, I'm showing you the smart path to becoming irreplaceable. Stay until the end because I'm revealing a learning approach colleges will never teach you. Plus, I'm helping you fund your journey with a $75 Amazon gift card. Watch every second to find out how to qualify for the giveaway sprint. The job market is hyper-competitive, but the winners are already ahead of the curve. Ready to secure your 2026 position? Here is our 10-minute master plan. 1. The 2026 Power Rankings, the only languages that matter now. 2. The AI weaponry, mastering Google Jules, Stitch, and AI Studio. Not subscribed yet? Hit subscribe now and never miss the best AI tools and coding tutorials. 3. The pro tip, how to win the job hunt while everyone else is automated. Let's dive in. First up, Python, the AI orchestrator of 2026. In the agentic era, Python isn't for writing code, it's for managing digital employees. 2025 data shows Python-based agentic frameworks like Mojo and LangChain have seen a 400% surge in enterprise adoption. If you aren't using Python to orchestrate LLMs, you're stuck in the manual age. Looking to learn Python for the AI age? The full beginner-friendly tutorial is on this channel. Check the link in the description. Second, JavaScript and TypeScript, the enterprise web standard. In 2026, TypeScript is the non-negotiable standard because AI-generated code is prone to bugs. Stack Overflow's latest dev survey confirms 82% of enterprise projects now mandate TypeScript over plain JavaScript. Complete JavaScript and TypeScript crash courses for beginners are available on the channel. Check the links in the description. Third, Rust, the memory safety powerhouse. Governments and major tech firms have officially mandated memory-safe languages to end the C++ security era. Rust remains the most loved language for the 10th year in a row, with specialized Rust engineers earning 35% more than generalists. Fourth, Go, the cloud-native hero. As we move toward decentralized AI, Go's ability to handle massive concurrency is unmatched for back-end infrastructure. Go powers over 75% of modern cloud-native projects, including the backends of Netflix and Twitch. Finally, SQL, the data foundation. AI is hungry for data, and SQL is how you feed it. With the rise of vector databases for RAG, SQL native developers are now more in demand than standard AI engineers. Want to master SQL fast? The beginner-friendly SQL crash course is on the channel. Check the link in the description. Rapid fire, honorable mentions, the situational powerhouses, Java for the banking backbone, C# for the net and Unity gaming empire. Kotlin is the Android king. Swift is the gatekeeper to the $3 trillion Apple ecosystem. Don't learn them all. Pick the one that fits your 2026 target industry. Languages are the foundation. These AI tools are your force multipliers. Google Jules is your architectural genius. Pro tip, use Jules for high-level refactoring, not just syntax fixes. Google Stitch is the bridge between disparate systems. It auto-generates glue code, meaning you spend zero time on integration hell. Google AI Studio is your prototyping playground. Best use, rapidly building generative AI features without writing boilerplate. The smart approach, don't let AI drive. You are the navigator. Master these tools now, or get left behind by those who do. In 2026, the best coder doesn't win, the best strategist does. Use my 3-step framework: proof, persona, and conversion. Proof is your portfolio. Persona is your brand. Conversion is your interview mastery. Soft skills are the only thing AI can't simulate. This is where you win. I've built a competency growth engine to help you align with market demands in days. Get a 7-day free trial at the link in the description and start your 2026 upgrade. Now, let's get you the tools you need to succeed. I'm giving away a $75 Amazon gift card to one of you, but this is a 7-day sprint. Hit 5,000 views and 250 comments in the next week, and the lottery unlocks. To reward you early birds, only the first 500 commenters who are subscribed qualify. Comment below, which language will you master first in 2026? And what specific project will you build? Check the giveaway rules in the description, like and share this video to hit that goal. I'll see you in the future.